now I'm gonna lie to you. Me give Mark Golding a respect in a manner of, in a sense of, him is humble and him calm and him collective and him wait to the right time. Him not use certain kind of situation to make it be a political to make political mileage. You get what me I say? Me don't see him do that. Maybe some site where you go on, people might think that, but you have to look upon it in a certain way, you know. When there is no one to reach to, when the party in power, the government who are in power, not reaching out to the people them, then somebody have to go. And may I forgive comments to the UIC party, because them a try what them can. I see them trying a lot, but may I have to comment Mr. Pattis too, because him not use nothing to make up political mileage. Me see that with him, because him could have done nothing. When me see enough people that argue on the internet and I say, yo, them nasty Mr. Pattis. But you don't have to understand, you know, this man Mr. Pattis want to change the whole Jamaica's governance, you know, and the system of politics, you know. So you don't have to sit and look on that. You get what I say? And know say, yo, this is what the man want to bring to the table. And it's a big change. It's a big change and it's a big move. And it can make enough people wonder what is this party doing. But you have to understand that it's a change the man want. Too much of this die-hearted. The man I try showing say, yo, you see, if me not work right, vote me out. If PNP not work right, vote them out. If JP not work right, vote them out. Don't depend on one party. Read manifesto. Vote for policies, my people. No, stop vote for a little handout 5,000 and a green or a orange shirt. You get what I say? Because what this man out there, what this man talk about, you know, Mr. Morgan, you know, it is out of taste and it's lies. This is misleading information to all the younger generation who have come up. Well misleading. So may I watch it for the mothers and the fathers. Them now do their research or them don't know. If they don't know what go on. When you don't know what go on, mothers and fathers, bless up in the reasoning corner on the depending on so. But they are reason about is me Jamaica politics and is me the whole heap Robert Morgan speech. Say PNP no bill no hospital in Jamaica. But me I go do the next video that come. There's a following video. Me I go do the expose now, because we don't have to see what I'm going on, my people. We have to expose the lies them and I want to see them now. Whether PNP tell lie or JLP tell lie now. We are gonna see them and I bring a video with the PNP led by PJ Patterson and Omar Davis, what them do to a group of business people. Yeah, with that video, I bring that video there forward for you to see what I go on. Because I don't have to see, you know, I'm not going to just bring one side now, two side, for sure, and say, yo, these two party, they need to stop operating in Jamaica. Yes, my beautiful people, man. And the reason corner on the depend, you know, so I have to tell you, say, yo, I beg you to click the like button and the share button. And just raise with me down in the comment section, because we're there up on the reasoning corner, you see me? It's politics time again. Tell your neighbor, tell your friend. Them a look them political mileage. Yo, my beautiful people, bless up in the money, you see it? Every time one love and what good out there, you see it? Right now we are left up on the reasoning corner. You
can depend on me.
One.
Yes, you can. Yeah,
Life,
you can
you know
depend on me. Yeah, I'm in your corner, friend. I'm in your corner. Anytime the trouble is on, I'm in your corner, friend. I'm in your corner. When you need someone around.